Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. I am Tina Bear, and if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, hit the bell so you get our videos every week. We post every Sunday. We'd love to hear from you. Drop us a line. Today we are going to make stuffed pesto chicken breast in the Instapot. I know, sounds crazy, but it comes out amazing. You will love it. The first thing we're gonna do is pull up our sleeves. Presto. We are going to fillet a chicken breast. Not fillet it. We're not gonna fillet it. We're gonna butterfly it. We're gonna butterfly. So just cut straight in half. Open the sucker up. Super easy. Cut in the middle. There you go. Just like that. Lace flat. There's one. We're gonna do two. Dinner for two. Actually, this could be dinner for four. You could cut them in half because these are super big chicken breasts. They are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. They look like turkey breasts because they're huge. Just cut it the rest of the way so it lays flat, just like that. Looks amazing. And then we're gonna start adding everything in. I'm gonna go wash my hands. So you always want to wash your hands if you are using chicken or poultry. Then we're going to fill it up. Let's stuff this sucker. I got it. So this is 8 ounces of pesto. We are going to use about 2 tablespoons on each breast. Just like that. And you want to just spread it around, get every corner. We love pesto in our house. This is also really yummy if you make a head and then you cut it up and put it on top of your pizza. Your homemade pizza is so good. It's delicious. Then we have some sliced mozzarella. Just want to get enough to cover the whole chicken. And we have sliced tomato. And we have some fresh spinach. Gonna just layer it. Is that pretty? Yeah? Tastes even better. Look how big that one is. That's huge. Just like that. Then I also have fresh basil. I'm just gonna put a few little leaves. In here, because I like to bite into it. Get on there, sucker. Then I'm going to just add a little bit of Parmesan. You think I could close it? Looks amazing. So then we're going to just put the chicken broth on the bottom. And we have some fire roasted tomatoes. Those are my favorite. And then the rest of the pesto that's in the 8-ounce jar that we didn't put in. I'll save a little bit for on top. And then we're gonna put some of these yummy sun-dried tomatoes. These are my favorite. We're just gonna take don't know, about 6. Just like that. Yum. Okay, so you're just going to fold these in half. I know. It's okay. It'll look good. Trust me. They stick together. Just like that. And we're going to lay it on top of the tomato and the pesto. And then the next one. Go ahead and just close it the best you can. The cheeses will hold it together. Put my spinach back in there. Just like that. And then I'm just going to top it with a little bit more pesto. You can't have enough pesto. I'm telling you. I need to invent the pesto martini. I know. Don't look at me like that. That's right. You know you would drink it. Okay. Just like that. Done. We are going to cook this for 14 minutes on high pressure. And take them out, slice them up, put it with a little bit of pasta. It's going to be delicious. I can't wait for you to see it. I'm so excited for you to see what this chicken looks like. It smells amazing. I could smell the pesto and the tomato. Just lift it up. Look at that. That is a meal, and when I say you could cut that in half and feed 2 people with just this portion, I am not lying. I would serve this with some pasta or a salad. It would come out, it would be the perfect dinner. I'm just going to cut in the middle. Super tender so you could see. Look at that filling. Ooey gooey cheese. The tomato is sweet and juicy. You have the spinach in there. I'm going to take a bite. Oh, I can't wait. Looks so good. Now, if you have leftovers, I would chop it up, maybe make a pizza, put it in a salad, put it on some toast or an English muffin. Hot. It is so good. The mozzarella and the saltiness from the Parmesan adds to the sweetness of the tomato, and the basil comes through with the pesto. Oh my gosh. I need some pasta right now with this. This is my lunch. Give this one a shot. Tastes amazing. I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.